Back at Eastside Cannery, you can see they've cleared out more floors. I don't know if anybody out there is familiar with the demolition process, but what the AI told me is that there's been no announcement if it's going to be imploded or not, or taken down by other means. Personally, I would like to see a wrecking ball where they swing that big metal ball into the building and destroy it slowly. The plan for this area is going to be sold, the land, and used for housing, is what I read. The Eastside Cannery closed down in 2020 when all casinos were ordered closed due to the pandemic. However, this one never reopened. I think the others, they were closed for about 4 months on orders of the then Governor Steve Sisolak. I did also read that Boyd Gaming, when this place was closed, was spending $500,000 a month on it. And I think that amount seems so high. It must include the land, because I know they were actually leasing the land, and then they purchased the land much more recently after it was closed. I think about a year ago or so. The security guy. There was a tiny casino called Nevada Palace that was here in the front, kind of where this parking area is. They took that down and built this. It's not even that old, and it's being destroyed. It was built by somebody else, and then Boyd acquired it after that. So up the street right there is where you see Sam's Town. Got 16 stories total. See, the place is getting trash out here. Look, here's the guy camping. Sleeping down here. It's Boulder Highway. Must be something serious.